I heard an impressive message about, and it recalled me to when Yeshua was a young child. And it was during a time of Passover. And his family had misplaced him. What's so interesting is that this rabbi, okay, Rabbi Khan, he was showing how, retelling about how Joseph and Mary could not find Yeshua for 3 days. And when they found him, he was like, I'm about my Father's business. And you know what's so interesting is that when Yeshua gave his life, he was put in a tomb. His body wasn't there. And it wasn't there because he was about his Father's business. It's so amazing. Have a beautiful and wonderful day. God bless.